What did Jesus say to do when trials swarm you?
And he spake a parable unto them to this end, that men ought always to pray and not to faint, saying, There was in a city a judge, which feared not God, neither regarded man. And there was a widow in that city, and she came unto him, saying, Avenge me of mine adversary. And he would not for a while. But afterward he said within himself, Though I fear not God, nor regard man, yet because this widow troubleth me, I will avenge her, lest by her continual coming she weary me. And the Lord said, Hear what the unjust judge saith. And shall not God avenge his own elect, which cry day and night unto him, though he bear long with them?
When you go through trials and experience trouble in your life, you should cry out to God day and night for his help. The widow received her request because of her persistence. Now, don't miss the point that Jesus is trying to illustrate in his story. God isn't wearied by you continuing to come to him in prayer. He's the one who invited you to come. The point Jesus is making is that if a human judge who didn't care about God or do any favors for others gave the widow what she wanted so she'd stop bothering him, how much more do you think God, who loves you and wants you to come to him, will answer you even though you may have to wait for it?